DJM TV.
Umahi, governor of Ebonyi State, don join APC and im don talk the reason why im join APC. My people, una welcome to the news wey we get for una at this time. The news wey we carry come na be the governor of Ebonyi State wey dey call David Umahi. Im don comot from People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC), wey be the ruling party. David Umahi, the Ebonyi State governor for Eastern Nigeria, don formally announce say im don leave the country main opposition party wey be People's Democratic Party to join President Muhammadu Buhari ruling party wey be All Progressive Congress Party. Im tok say e dey leave PDP because of the injustice dem wey dey happen on top of the PDP matter. Dis na news wey come after story tok say e don port. Pipo come dey tok am up and down say the guy comot from PDP based on say im want presidential ticket for 2023. But the governor David Umahi don come to say no, that not be the reason wetin make am port o. E say im port in order to protest the injustice wey dem don see for PDP hand. E explain say with the way Southeasterners don dey support PDP sotey at one point the 5 Southeastern states bin dey for dem, e no make sense say since 1998 dem never even consider the Southeast to run for presidency. E say for PDP my only sin na say I no talk bad about Oga Presido. Until thy kingdom come, he tok say he no go talk bad about Oga Muhammadu Buhari. He talk this one as e be say him no dey badmouth PDP for wetin happen o, because he no dey character to talk bad about people. Meanwhile, Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari, he don commend the Ebonyi State governor wey be David Umahi as he take comot from PDP enter APC. He tok say this bold move, he see am say na because the guy get principle, not because the guy dey find something for APC, which many pipo tok say na presidential ticket for 2023 na the guy dey find, na make am comot from APC come PDP. Oga Presido say he dey proud of Governor David Umahi for the bold decision wey he take in accordance to his conscience and principles, rather than say pipo come dey influence am or say pipo force am to join the party. Meanwhile, one of Oga Presido talk person wey be e special adviser on media and publicity, Femi Adesina, don tok say Dave Umahi wey be Ebonyi State governor fit contest for 2023 election. He say e take the heart of a lion to change course in such a setting. He say Umahi don display courage of conviction, and he say the Southeast, PDP don let the Southeast down for the last 21 years, and so it is time to switch camp. He say as for the fact say the guy wan run for presidency for 2023, why not?
President Muhammadu Buhari has commended the Ebonyi State Governor Dave Umahi for defecting to the All Progressives Congress (APC). In a statement issued today by his spokesman Garba Shehu, President Buhari said Governor Umahi's defection was based on principle rather than coercion.
It's time to move. We have dwelled so much in one political party, and it's time to move to the center. APC! And therefore we are so grateful to God who directs our face. We thank to Mr. President so highly, who has helped us to develop this great state, Ebonyi. We are grateful to him. And your witnesses that the help of Mr. President has transformed our state, Ebonyi. We thank you so much, Ebonyians, because we believe in ourselves. I thank the national leaders, the governors, honorable ministers, SSA Domestic, my brother Governor Hope Uzodinma, Tony Chukwu, my in-law, and all the leaders, especially my deputy governor, my House of Assembly, the Elders Council, the ESCO members. Time will fail me to mention all of you, including my market women. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for standing with me. Thank you for agreeing that this is the will of God. You cannot truncate the will of God. Today, I can boldly say by this marriage of PDP and APC, commissioned by APC, National Party, that our state is 99.99% APC. The 0.001% is room I have left for my National Assembly members. Do not castigate them. They are looking for something. When they get it, they will come back. Don't castigate them. They are my children, and I love them so much. We have 3 members of the Elders Council. Do not castigate them. They are my children. I'm the father of the state. They will come back. We are together. They know they do opposition in Ebonyi State. No be so. They know they do opposition in Ebonyi State. No be so. This new house that is built on trust, that is built on justice, equity, and fairness, this new house that is built on love is going to accommodate all of us. Together we are stronger. The bigger, the better. Let us therefore approach the throne of God with boldness. We will not remember yesterday. There is no victor, there is no vanquish in this marriage. We as PDP people, we forgive everyone in APC, and we've drawn assurance that everyone in APC has forgiven PDP. And so we are united in one spirit. But let me say that parties should not divide brothers. It is just a means to assist your people. Every time the end of an election, we should come together to build the state, to build our communities, to build our nation. Together, we are stronger. I have dissolved the Elders Council to accommodate our brothers and sisters that are coming from APC. And this is very important to note. Southeast, not today. Southeast, we all move to APC. We have to launch out to the center. We are tired of empty promises. We want action in the now. No be so.
No, so.
And therefore today, as my deputy governor has said, we have moved into APC. The governor with his deputy united in one, together with 110 ESCO members, with 1,200 appointees of executive assistants, senior technical assistants, and technical assistants. We have 374 liaison officers. We are together in this movement. We have 400 appointees on boards and commissions. We have 560 management committee members. We have 130 supervisors. We have all the 13 local government chairmen and all the vice chairmen and all the legislators everywhere in Ebonyi State. We are all together in unity in this agreement. No be so.
Not so.
When men tell me that I will regret this movement, I have examined myself, I have consulted God, and the reward of freedom from dictatorship, freedom from one or two people deciding the affairs of men is gone. We are free at last, and we have moved into blessings. No be so.
Not so.
Also, Oga Femi Adesina Koto say the Southeast must play better politics if they won't get the ultimate office for the country when be presidency. He said that they sleep, they face the same direction. He said it all pass. He said make the Southeast people look the way Orji Uzokalo, Hope Uzodima, Chris Ngige, David Umahi, and many others say they shine the light and may they follow that light. My people, we don't come to the end of the news. I don't know how to see the matter, but anyway you see, Make you drop your comment for the comment section. But not forget say na sibo na girl and sister Laworo favor.
DJM TV.
No be so.
Na so.
When men tell me that I will regret this movement, I have examined myself, I have consulted God, and the reward of freedom from dictatorship, freedom from one or two people deciding the affairs of men is gone. We are free at last, and we have moved into blessings. No be so.
Na so.
Also, Oga Femi Adesina Koto say the South-East must play better politics if they won't get the ultimate office for the country when be presidency. He said that they sleep, they face the same direction. He said it all pass. He said make the South-East people look the way Orji Uzokalo, Hope Uzodima, Chris Ngige, David Umahi and many others say they shine the light and may they follow that light. My people, we don't come to the end of the news. I don't know how to see the matter, but anyway you see am, make you drop your comment for the comment section. But not forget say na sibo na girl and sister Laworo favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.